would you like to tell the nation? CEO ODC, what malaga?
ODC, I cannot depend on
Ra?
I cannot depend on
How do you MPS? How do you mean on the accounting officer? Isn't this under your ministry?
It is under our ministry member, but I should also highlight Horkana between the ministry and our SOEs. We have a governance process that exists and that governs the relationship. Ya ministry le SOE. Accounting officer. I don't necessarily want micromanage. Two, I don't get into the operational. The SOEs. We have a board. Yes,
micromanage. What are you trying to say to me? I'm asking you for a salary, a head of a big company that is owned by Botswana. That should be public knowledge. It should be information easy. You don't micromanage. What are you trying to say about me?
Honorable Mabeo, Rnale committee ya parliament e bidiwa go ke statutory bodies. Ke tsa gore ba ta go botsa le bone ra ba ta botsa yo tshwanetseng ke tsa gore go ta bana la answer.
Thank you.
Chairman, o tlo re bola ha o tlo hira yalo ba arabela.
Ya o rile ga
o tlo gore bola ha o ka ba ira jalo o ba arabela. E re ke santse ke bua le no botsena o bo ira yalo o tlo gore bola chairman. O tlo gore bola go tlhelele o tlo have the essence of this.
Tiro engwe chairman ke gore e re ga di khandi buiwa a re etsa thapa a ba ka tsa ditshwetso tsa gore ka tswela pele ka tsela entseng ja ha o mmotsa hela o rile ene ga itse ya no moretso a re ga batho ba duelwa ka madi a Batswana o tshwantse a itse, and that is a message that I think has come across very clearly to him. That's what he said.
Chairman, the issue should not answer like that. He should not answer like that. He's the one who's in charge. He should know these things. He should have it here. He's not what he doesn't know. He's not willing to give out that information.
Right. Parliamentary ha go leba yana. O ra ro agana wa itse.
Question e tona chairman ke gore a gone mme accounting officer ke follower se Honorable Mabeo se bua ngwe clear. Are you supposed to know? Is it within your purview? Gore a gone mme ke so ka bongo se itsampo ke sa board ya mine.
I stand to be corrected, Chair.
Yes.
My understanding is the salaries that the SOE, they are pegged to the accounting officer. And then, by the board, it will be negotiate the allowance, it did not commensurate the position and the nature of the job that the individual sasidira. So, they are pegged here, and this is the basic that they are getting. And then they will negotiate the board, the allowance they did not commensurate, and then they will be competitive because some of the skill sets are the competitive more marketing. If they are not paid more commensurate in the market, we stand the chance of losing them to our competitors. Hence, compensate you those allowances. Yeah, the figure is.
I mean, I get how they peg delay county officers. At least you know something.
I know the basic, but the figure once what those allowances.
Honorable member, I'd say, make a need to tota wa itse no sa batle go bua. But anyway, I guess you have made that attempt. I get the right so kana o hitse ya no ka le ene chairman o tamtshwa ka mona. Re ka konela kgang.